Hello students, now in this video let's see oblique projection. This is one of the type of projection. Now previously we have seen there are two types of projection, basically parallel and perspective. So in parallel projection we are looking, right? So in parallel projection we have seen the first the orthographic projection, then axonometric with its types, and now oblique projection we have to see with its types, and at last we will see the perspective projection, which is a non-parallel projection, right? So now oblique projection, what does it? A parallel projection in which the parallel projectors coming from infinitely intersects the plane of projection obliquely is called oblique projection. It's called oblique projection. Okay. Now the transformation matrix for oblique projection is, what does that matrix? T. It is T. Here this is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. This is minus f cos of alpha minus f sin of alpha 0 0 0 0 0 1. This is a matrix for oblique projection. Now also, as you know, that oblique projection has two different types, that is cavalier projection and cabinet projection. So where if f is equal to 1, it gives us a cavalier projection. Cavalier projection means what? Foreshortening factor. The value of foreshortening factor is 1, then it will be a cavalier projection. And second, if foreshortening factor having a value half, then it will be a cabinet projection. You know, f lies between 0 to 1 with closed interval 0 1. So if f is 1, it is cavalier, and if f is half, it is cabinet projection. Okay. Now as I had tell, but still we write, what is f? F is foreshortening factor. And what is alpha? Alpha is angle of projection. Okay, this is with us. Now let's take example on this. Example: find the cabinet projection of the object represented by following position vector matrix. Position vector matrix X with a horizontal inclination angle alpha equal to 25 degree. Alpha equal to 25 degree. Solution. Wait, before going to our solution we should write x. I forgot it. Sorry for that. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. It is maybe a quadrilateral that are given to us, as it has 4 position vector given to us. Fine. So now solution for this. The transformation matrix for oblique projection is T equal to what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, minus f cos alpha minus f sin alpha 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Here for cabinet projection, f equal to 1 by 2 and alpha equal to 25 degree. This is what given. This is given to us. Alpha is 25 degree. Therefore, T equal to, what is T? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is minus 1 by 2 cos of 25 degree. This is minus 1 by 2 sin of 25 degree. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Right? So, what is the simplification here? That gives us 1, 0, 0, 0. Find these values and then take a multiplication with minus half. Okay. So, this is 0, 1, 0, 0. This is minus 0.4532. This is minus 0.2113. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is a transformation matrix T. Now we have to apply this on this object X. Okay. So apply T on X. What we get? X star equal to X into T. But X is given to us without homogeneous coordinate. So we should write it with homogeneous coordinate. 1, 2, 1, 1. 3, 4, minus 1, 1. Minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1. 2, 1, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0, minus 0.4532 minus 0.2113 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now let's take a product. This product gives us the answer 0.5468, 1.7887, 01, 3.4532, 4.2113, 01, minus 1.4532, minus 2.2113, 01, 1.5468, 0.7887, 01. This is the answer for this problem. Now next example. Obtain Cavalier projection with alpha equal to 15 degree of the object. Object X is given to us. It is 2, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 4, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 3, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so solution. The transformation matrix for oblique projection is T equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, minus f cos alpha minus f sin alpha 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now here for Cavalier projection, as we know, what is f? F is 1 and alpha equal to what? 15 degree. It is given to us in a question. Okay, so put these values. Therefore T equal to what we get? This T is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is minus cos of 15 degree. F is 1, so no problem for that. Minus sin of 15 degree. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So what are the values? This gives us the transformation matrix is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is minus 0.9659. This is minus 0.2588, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is our matrix for transformation matrix for Cavalier projection. Now we have to operate or apply this on a given object. So we get the Cavalier projection of that object, right? So we have, this is our T, right? So now apply T on X. We get what? X star. That will be what? X into T. That X is what? 2, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. 4, minus 1, minus 1, 1. 0, 3, minus 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Into t. What is t? It is this one. 1, 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0. Minus 0.9659. Minus 0.2588. 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1. So now, what was the answer? It will be 2, 0, 0, 1. 0.0341 minus 0.2588. 0, 1. 4.9659 minus 0.7412. 0, 1. 0.9659. 3.2588. 0, 1. 0.0341. 0.7412. 0, 1. As such, we get the Cavalier projection of the object X through an angle 15 degree. Okay. So now this is about the oblique projection. So here we will stop. In next video we will see perspective projection. Thank you.